Welcome back to DIY Craftivities, and today we are going to be unboxing this plushie. I love unicorns, but this was my birthday present and it's so cute. And love sequins. There is a mark. They have a tummy for heart, and there's a mark underneath after you flip out all the sequins. And start opening it. And they all have horns, but the plastic here are like fit in. And I picked one with a gold horn. I'm gonna start opening it. Oh, it says, "Which one will you find?" Right there. And there's also, I think there's baby eggs that come with little rubber guys. You can get twins with. Okay, I've got all the plastic off. And now, which one is it gonna be? What one? Now I have to sit on it. Keep it warm. Now I have to hatch it. How am I supposed to hatch this? Oh, I heard it pop. They're so cute. Look at him! He has wings! Oh, and it does have a unicorn horn. Look at it! He has a tail and wings. Also has a small little baby horn. I had no idea, I just picked one. And it does her like, hey, what's this? It comes with a little baby! Oh, I got a little baby! There was a little egg inside it! What is that? That was so cool. It was a little egg. It came in. Blah, 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 blah. He's gonna be sitting on his egg. Because there's also this. And then now it says, which one will you find? It says each RainBoCorn comes with a magical egg with a sequin heart accessory. Open your egg and discover which RainBoCorn you have found. If you move the sequin heart from the egg, snap it into your RainBoCorn and your swipe to reveal a secret surprise. Now I gotta discover which hidden item was under here. Okay, I am now gonna reveal what it is. It's a banana! So this must be a monkey. A monkey! And then it comes with its little baby. Little baby. And this guy's name is Loco. This guy's name is Loco. There's a lot. Okay, we have finished unboxing this little baby. It's so cute, and it was a monkey banana sequin. This is one of the cutest birthday presents ever. I've snapped this into its tummy as you do it. And now I'm gonna go and play. And don't forget to